Hi everyone, good evening. Hope all will be doing fine at home and enjoying your good time with your family peoples. And one thing I wanted to, all again, I wanted to remind you this is the best time in your life for your family to spend with. So you will never get this time again in life to spend with your family and such a good time to share your life experience with your life partner, with your children, to play with your children, to spend time with them. It will not come again. So make best use of it. And since you are in home, and so many of my friends doing work from home, when you get time, please do analysis of your budget. Budget means your family budget, your expenses budget, your income budget. What is your income, regular income, what is your inflow, and what is your outflow, and what is your expenses. So this one you keep writing. Better not to think about it and just discuss about it with your wife or partner. Keep writing, keep writing, keep writing. One time writing is equal to 10 times of reading. Like that we can say, if once you write for 1 or 2 months, you will able to track where the money gone, where the excess expenses has gone, which can be avoided in the sense like, see, some people spend more in entertainment, some people spend more in going out, some people spend more in going dine in with their partners or friends. So once you keep tracking your expenses records, you will find where the excess expenses is going. I am not telling like you don't go for entertainment, don't go for movies, don't go for outing. Go, but which can be avoided, which is excess, that you can do. Once you keep writing your family expenses budget, you will be able to track that. The excess things you can easily avoid. That's what one thing. And one more, during this lockdown we got to know, the see, so many things are there. Online movies also available. People telling we will not enjoy the movies in home. Who said you will not enjoy the movie in home? If you get a big theater type music system, and if all family will sit together and watch the movie, it will be very nice. Switch up the light, then use your TV and music system, and sit all with all your family members, and do home based snacks. It is very nice to enjoy. Who said you cannot enjoy movies at home? This is what I wanted to share. Once you keep writing your family expenses budgets, na, you will get to know. So this is what you can do now. And regarding insurance, I wanted to discuss. So many private companies keep calling and asking for insurance, term insurance, health insurance, etc. So it is depends on your decision and your experience. You can go for it. But one request I wanted to make to all of you: never ever go for any term insurance online. Never ever go for any term insurance online. Why I am telling? Term insurance is purely risk coverage. It is neither a saving for you, it is neither a return for you. See, savings means you are keeping it for some years, then they will return the money. Term insurance is not like that. It is purely risk coverage. No savings, no return in this, only risk coverage. So risk coverage means we are taking for our life risk. So we should not take that risk coverage things. Just 1 minute. I think train is going. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I'm staying nearby railway station, so this uh, goods trains going sometimes nowadays. So what I was discussing is, never ever go for term insurance online, because it is purely risk coverage. Anything happen to you, huge amount, 50 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, like that, insurance company has to pay. So do you think insurance companies are full? Simply you paid them a premium and they will pay you, simply somebody go and claim. They will go for verification, they will go for medical test, they will go for all the inspection and verification paperwork, everything. After then only they will pay. So why I wanted to tell, don't go for online. Online so many misguides are going on. Misguides means, see, they are simply, you send document to them, they will process your money, process your policy and take money online. That's all. That is the thing. Then matter over your policy done, you will get the policy number and bond. But since you are taking it purely for risk, something happened to you, your family people has to go and claim. They don't know nothing about insurance, they don't know much about what is the company, what is the clause, while you are signing, what was the things you have filled up the forms, what are the columns you have filled up, they don't know this. So that time probability of chances of cancellation of policy is more than 50%. So that's what I wanted to tell you all. Go for term insurance. In case you are going for term insurance, go through any LIC, any insurance agency, not only LIC. Why it come to my mouth in LICs? If you think about term insurance, go with LIC. That's what I meant to say. That's why automatically it has come. In case you have choose any private companies, go see all the details and do it through any agency. Why I am telling any agency through you will do the policy means that agency having some values in the office, because through agency they are getting lots of business every year, every month they are getting lots of business. If they lose a customer, they don't bother, but if they lose a agent, they will lose so many customers, so many policies. So definitely they will consider the agent, they will consider the agent and they will take care of the agent, and they will take the value of the agent. So simply you will do online means once somebody will go to claim, they will not bother, simply they will send go there, go there, go there, go to that table, go to that table, and finally they will reject the policy. And one more thing, without medical some term insurance also they are doing. I today itself I come to know through my friend, without medical itself they have done the term insurance. And how foolish people are. Without medical, proper medical checkup, how somebody can take term insurance? Just see if that person having HIV, if that person having severe diabetes, if that person having severe kidney problem, severe heart problem, how term insurance can be done? So today I will do some I have some severe heart problem, today I will do the term insurance, after 2-3 months I will die means you think insurance company is simply going to give you the 1 crore rupees? They are simply full. Nothing. Your premium also will go, neither you will get the premium amount also, that money gone, swaha. So never do without proper medical checkup, because they will they every insurance company just looking for a reason to reject the policy. They don't want to give the money this much big, so they will find, once they will inquire, they will find. In simply if you will get some small operations somewhere in the stomach or somewhere, after your death, in case you are claiming for your nominee will go and claim, they will go for medical verification, they will go for post-mortem report. If they find anything, they will reject it. So once you go through the agent, definitely agent will ask you during taking the policy, they will ask you have anything, and they will ask you to go for medical checkup also. Medical checkup, they will go for height, weight, blood test, urine test, all these details they will test. Once they will test your blood, they will come to know you have any disease or not. In simply they are taking little blood, but in that there are 17 types of disease testing in that. So that's what my request. Never ever go for term insurance without medical test, first thing. Second thing, don't go for private, because you will get cheaper in private, and buying online also will get cheaper. Private also cheaper, even in LIC also buying online term insurance also cheaper than buying through an agent. But again same thing in LIC also, if you buy online, it will be cheaper, 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees you will get cheaper than buying through online, buying through any agent, because LIC giving commission to the agent. So instead of giving the commission to the agent, that money they will reduce and give it to you if you buy through online. But problem will be there, because of that 100,000 rupees or 2000 rupees less you will find difficult later. So nobody will be there in case you take some loans or something, nobody is there to guide you like that. That is what I just wanted to share with you, because today I spoke to my friend, very good friend. For each and everything we share with each other, we are very close, we are like brothers. So I discussed with him, he has done a policy without medical test. I was surprised. And I was blinking how term insurance can be done without medical. It is really a bad habit by all the private companies. I'm not telling any company is bad, all companies good, but this practice is not good. All your claim will waste, all your premium will waste once somebody will claim and they will reject it. So that's what. Nothing more to say. Uh, Hope this video will make you understand a few points, specifically regarding your family budget, expenses budget. If you like this video, you can share with your friends, and you can contact me for any issues of your insurance related. I will be there to help you, even if you will not be my existing customer also. So thank you, love you all, be safe, be at home, bye bye, good night.